week 20 of the $100,000 stock challenge, and man, the stock market is booming, man. I got the fear of greed pulled up. It's currently sitting at 60, man. So with that being said, like when the market was down in like, the 40s and 50s and things in nature, everybody knew that was a great buying opportunity, right? And as for a newcomer trader, this is the market that you will want to trade in. When the market it's easy to trade the stock market when it's going up, right? When the stock market is going down and trading sideways and a little bit like that, for a newbie, it could be a hard. So you guys know I took a break from day trading, doing the options and all that. It was mostly focused on building out my foundations and building out my 25 shares, right? And taking advantage of why the market was down in extreme fear and things of nature. So I was buying stocks, dollar cost averaging down. But since the market is back up on its high horses a little bit, it's not saying that it's great, but it's doing much better than it was the past 2.5 months. So I'm getting back into trading, and like I said, it's easy to trade an upwards market, right? But while I got you guys here, Coach, when I say Coach Chris Sain, he dropped the video of the best 10 stocks that you need in your portfolio. Once again, not trying to bash Coach, talk bad about Coach or nothing at all, but he just told us what stocks we need to buy, right? And if you listen to Coach or whoever you listen to, Zip Trader, all these other people, I made a video last week talking about what you should look for to know if it's a good stock to have in your portfolio for short term, long term, whatever your goal is and strategy, right? So, but Coach mentioned 2, he mentioned 10, but again, we don't want 10 stocks in our portfolio. You really want to try to get 5, and once you get those 5, build out 25 positions of those. It's okay to have between 5 to 7, but you definitely don't want 10 stocks in your portfolio right away, because it's going to be hard to build out those 25 positions in those stocks. But one that you absolutely need is Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA, man. Last month, this one was all the way back down at 116. Now it's going back to 141. This play, I'm telling you, even if you're not trading it, taking options or anything, this play is going to 200, right? It's going to go to 200, and it's going to go above that, right? This one is going to be, one of those big heavy hitters that eventually is going to go back, from 200 to 300, all the way to 500. This is one that you really want to build out as many positions as you can. The second one is Robinhood, right? Robinhood is going to go to $100 real soon as well, right? It's going to go to $100 real soon. Coach was talking about it, saying that you could have got it all the way down at, $43. Even last month, you could have got it at, $49, $50, right? But that's not the moral story. This is going to be the play that we're going to rinse and repeat a lot, right? It's going to have its momentum. It's going to come down. It's going to come up. So you really want to either A, take options on this play, B, rinse and repeat, right? The main thing I'm doing with this one is rinsing and repeating, along with Palantir here, right? Ticker symbol PLTR, right? This is going to be another stock that I'm not going to buy positions of. I'm just purely going to trade it, buy, rinse and repeat it. Right now, look, it's coming back. Well, it's currently sitting at 123, right? It was at 131, maybe even a little higher than that. But if you can catch this at the 117s, 116s, anywhere in the 120s as well, right? And ride this back up to 130, 135. It is going to be a great opportunity. Like I said, I'm not physically going to trade these yet. I'm not 100% confident in one telling you guys, hey, take Palantir at this trade price. We looking at it the go up to 130 by Friday. I'm not truly confident in telling you guys that, but I am confident in telling you guys is a nice play to rinse and repeat and to build out some solid positions in your portfolio, right? Just rinse and repeat, take them profits and go buy your main hitters of stocks that you need, such as, you know, your Vanguard, right? Your Nvidia, your Charles Schwab, your SoFi, right? Like your Amazon, right? Build out a lot of position in those. So that's my main focus. It's not 100% option trading yet, but it is a great market to start swing trading and do options in it. I'm just not comfortable in telling like coaches and being real strategic and telling you guys join the Discord and like get active that way and let's make money. The best what I'm saying is, you know, just swing trade these, rinse and repeat them, that type of deal, right? Is a little bit more safer, especially, you know, since me and maybe you guys as well have a smaller portfolio, you're not risking too much as well. But man, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. See you guys next week. Peace.